To ensure your job advertisements land at the very top, we leverage the full strength of your brand. Through verification, we link your job page directly to your main domain. This allows us to transfer its existing domain authority and establish trust directly to your ads. This signals maximum credibility to Google and provides that decisive push in reach. Click here in the top right on your employer profile. Scroll down a bit and you will already see the field for your website. Enter your website there, or if it is already in there, check the status next to it. If the page is not yet reachable, a small triangle will appear. Otherwise, you will see the Verify Now button. Click on it, and a window will open with the details for the CNAME entry. Think of this entry simply as a technical nickname or a signpost on the internet. It ensures that your job page is accessible under your own address and at the same time serves as digital proof of ownership for your company. You can create this entry yourself or click on Send Instructions at the bottom left to forward the information directly to your IT or web agency. Once the entry is set up, click on Verify. But heads up, the internet sometimes needs a little time to learn this new set of directions, so don't be surprised if it doesn't work right away. If in doubt, wait a few hours or check back the next day. By then, everything is usually ready. You see, with this small step, you clear the way for top positions on Google. Once your website is verified, your account is fully ready for action, and your job advertisements get the necessary push. If you need any help with this, just get in touch with us or ask your IT department. Bye.